Let us have a look of regular expression functions in PHP. What is meant by regular expression? First of all, let us know. A regular expression is a special text string for describing a search pattern. Regular expressions are used for complex string manipulations. PHP uses the POSIX extended regular expressions as defined by the standards POSIX 1003.2. What is meant by POSIX? The Portable Operating System Interface Standard effort used to be run by the POSIX Standards Committee. Let us have the basics of regular expressions. First of all, let us take a look at two special symbols, caret symbol and dollar symbol. Caret symbol is for starting of the string, dollar is for ending of the string. Suppose if you have caret the example, this matches any string that starts with a the. For example, the second one is of despair of dollar, matches a string that ends in a substring of despair. There are also the symbols star plus question mark, which denotes the number of times a character or a sequence of characters may occur. What they mean is star indicates 0 or more characters, plus indicates 1 or more characters, question mark indicates 0 or 1 character. In regular expressions, you can also use bounds specified by curling braces, which come inside braces and indicate ranges in the number of occurrences. Suppose if we have AB followed by 2 in curling braces, it indicates matches a string that has A followed by exactly 2 B's. In the next example, BC followed by 1, 5 means 1 through 5 copies of BC. There is also the special symbol pipe symbol, which works as an OR operator. A period or dot stands for any single character. What are the various requirements? No external libraries are needed to build this extension. Installation. To enable regular expression support, configure PHP -- with -reg expression equal to type. Type can be one of the system Apache PHP. The default is to use PHP. The Windows version of PHP has built-in support for this extension. You do not need to load any additional extension in order to use these functions. The runtime configuration. In the runtime configuration, this extension has no configuration directives defined in php.ini. The list of library functions that are available in these regular expressions are ereg replace, eregi replace, I indicates case insensitive, eregi, split_i, sql_reg case. First of all, let us have a glance of ereg_replace. This replaces a regular expression. It expects a string pattern, replacement string, and the original string. This function scans string for matches to pattern, then replaces the matched text with the replacement string. The modified string is returned. Let us have an example of this one. In this example, first of all, I have taken the number as 4. The original string is this string has 4 words. Suppose I want to replace the 4 with 4 number. If we use ereg_replace, this will not work. This will not replace the 4 number. Whereas if you replace the 4 number with 4 as a string, this will give the actual output. Let us have a look of this output, how it works. So the first one does not replace the 4 number, whereas the second one, if we replace it as string, it will gives the 4 number, replaces the 4 number with 4 digit. And the next function is eregi replace. This also works similar to ereg_replace, except that this ignores case distinction when matching alphabetical characters. The next function is ereg, regular expression matching, searches a string for matches to the regular expression given in pattern in a case sensitive way. Returns true if a match for pattern was found, or false if no matches were found or an error occurred. Let us take an example of ereg expression. Ereg. In this example, I have taken one date to convert the date in one form to another form. I have taken the international form of date is year, month, day. In ereg expression, I want to replace that date with new format with newly formed string in $regs. First of all, I want to replace this one with dots, hyphens with dots, and at the same case I want to have the date, day, next month, year values. These are captured in $regs, so they can be printed in the required form by giving the last index which contains the day, next month, next year. We can have the output of this function as follows, which is the required format. Next, let us have another function which is eregi. This also works identical to ereg, except that this ignores case distinction when matching alphabetical characters. The next function is split. This function splits the string into array by regular expressions. This expects the pattern string, the original string, and the limit string. Returns an array of string, each of which is a substring of string formed by splitting it on boundaries formed by the case sensitive regular expression pattern. If the limit is set, the return array will contain a maximum of limit elements, with the last element containing the whole rest of the string. If an error occurs, split returns false. Let us take an example and have a demonstration on this example. In this example, I have taken the date format, which may contain slashes or dots. I want to take the string which is separated by slashes or dots in the function, and the splitted value will be stored in month, day, and year. That value will be represented as follows. So the expected output can be displayed here. And the next function is split type, which works similar to split function. SQL_reg case makes regular expression for case insensitive match. It expects a string and returns a string. Returns a valid regular expression which will match the string, ignoring the case. The expression is the string with each alphabet character converted to a bracket expression. This bracket expression contains that character's uppercase and lowercase form. Other characters remain unchanged. That means if we have a string of the form software engineer, let us take this and execute this example. In this example, it will convert the given string alphabets, each alphabet for capitals and smalls, and others remains unchanged. The regular expression representation is like this. So SS is for S character, slash is similar. Next W is either it can be capital W or small w. The two character representation will be displayed, and for the remaining also the same, which is given at the prompt. That's all about regular expression functions.